Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. Here's how to change the install location of Google Play Games on PC. First, open C Drive, go to Users, then your main user folder. In the path bar, add IAP data and hit Enter. Open local folder. Find the Google folder, then open Play Games. Delete everything inside. Copy the full folder path, then delete the entire Play Games folder. Now open CMD as administrator. Type this command, mklink/d original path, new location on D:drive. This creates a symbolic link and moves future installs to your new location. That's it. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more real PC tweaks.